Hi, I'm Christine. Today, I'm excited to show you our gelatin and instant gelatin, as well as their applications in daily food. So for us Foodmate, we can offer customized gelatin solutions for manufacturers such as marshmallow, processed cheese, gummies, jellies, puddings, and capsules. So our innovation instant gelatin could dissolve in room temperature water, which no need pre-soaking or heating, which could save your time and making the production process much more easier. It is extremely suitable for those modern food manufacturing, which requires efficiency and consistency. Now let's make a simple cheese snack with our instant gelatin to show you how easy it is to use. These are our manufactured product. This is collagen peptides, and this is instant gelatin and collagen. Our collagen products are allergen-free, non-GMO, and halal certified. As a clean label food ingredient, they can replace or partially replace some common food additives, allowing manufacturers to reduce the additive dosage while still maintaining the excellent texture and water retention. So now for the first step, we're going to mix all the powder form ingredient. So now we're going to pour the milk and mix them evenly. So now all the ingredients are mixed well, we are going to heat it up. So now we are going to put it into the fridge and wait it until it becomes firm.